Magellan Aerospace is a leading global supplier of aerospace systems and components and is recognized by its customers for its innovative technology, original concept design, quality manufacturing, and total program solutions.
We design, develop, manufacture complex aero engines and aerostructures components, and we also design, develop, and integrate space solutions. We manufacture and design, develop rockets as well as satellites. Magellan is an exciting, great place to work for a number of reasons. First and foremost is we have exciting products with exciting customers in a global marketplace. So one day you can be working on a product and service in the European environment, and the next day we're working on a project in Southern Africa. We've been successful because we've been able to connect, we've been able to understand the different cultures and apply those internally as well too. We are involved in not only commercial aircraft but military aircraft. One of our exciting new products is on the Joint Strike Fighter, which the Canadian Forces have procured. We've been involved in that program for over 10 years now and look forward to 20 or 30 years more on that exciting new venture.
Over the last 20 years, Magellan has invested in new techniques, new processes, and developing their staff. As a result, they've grown not just their company, but their reach across the world markets.
We export over 90% of our goods and services, and historically the majority of that has been to the US. We see that shifting. Currently we export products into the European market and to Southeast Asia. We're also expanding into the Middle East and into more of the emerging markets or global markets. And that's where we see the future growth as well. Customers are more and more demanding, and they're not going to sit back and look at single part solutions, especially in our complex global marketplace. So we are aligning with global partners. We have a global supply chain, and when our customer comes to us, they are expecting us to provide complex solutions, engineered products. Yes, there's going to be manufacturing in our current sites and building. We will align ourselves with our customers to say if there is a future need to set up a new relationship or a new product line, we're going to be able to invest in that. We have a mantra here about on-time engagement in cash. So we want to make sure that we are on time with our customers and our products. We want to make sure our employees are engaged, that they have satisfaction and they're committed to the organization, and that we're controlling our inventory, our cost of products and services. So no matter when you step in the door in the morning, you know that there's opportunities provided, and we're passionate about making those successful for all of our parties.
Congratulations to Magellan Aerospace for being the CME Export Award recipient.